Downloading account statements from Lloyds Bank is a straightforward process that can be completed quickly online. Follow these steps to access your statement efficiently. Step 1. Log into online banking. Before changing your settings, use the #com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Overview. Once logged in, go to the Accounts section. Here, you will see a list of your accounts. Select the account for which you want to download the statement. Step 3. Access Statements. Look for an option labeled Statements or Account Statements in the Account menu. Click on this option to view available statements. Step 4. Select Statement Period. You will be presented with a range of statement periods. Choose the specific month or year for which you want to download the statement. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the desired period, look for a download button or link. Click on it to download the statement in your preferred format such as PDF or CSV. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily download your account statements from Lloyds Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.